breakthrough ideas come to life in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where high-tech pioneers at AV Living Lab develop cutting-edge mobility solutions and test emerging technologies in real environments. As the world's largest city lab for human-centric mobility solutions, AV Living Lab has been connecting industries, advanced technologies, data and people-rich ecosystems since 2017. Today, when traffic and urbanization are skyrocketing, experts at AV Living Lab are co-creating the mobility of the future, with more than 30 Living Lab projects in the fields of autonomous, connected, electric and shared mobility.
We are committed to developing new mobility projects for future trend-setting megacities. Our Living Lab, we even call it City as a Lab, serves as a testbed for building partner ecosystems that allow for the co-creation of new mobility solutions. We are proud to work with the best mobility and tech companies like Daimler, Mercedes-Benz, Google, Magna, Toyota, Volkswagen concern, and many more. We are taking our work to the next level with the launch of AI Driving Hub in Dubai. It includes multiple simulators that will help improve driving experience, contribute to sustainable mobility, lower traffic congestion, and create a zero-accident society.
By building ecosystems and organizing industry events, AV Living Lab has found a new approach to creating partnerships and positioned itself as the new global mobility think tank. With creative ideas that combine data and sustainable solutions, it drives innovation, improves lives, and makes cities much more accessible and easier to live in. By being green, creative and smart, AV Living Lab is an example of the forward-looking Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Break new ground in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.